Are you tired of getting logged out too quickly on PayPal? In this video, I will show you how to extend your login session on PayPal step by step so you can stay signed in longer without constantly logging back in. This can make managing payments, checking transactions, and sending money much more convenient. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to PayPal app. Here in this page, as you see, you have to write your password. Then as you see here, we are in the application of PayPal. You will go to above here on profile, or let's go here to settings. Now let's go here to settings. After that, in this page you will go to login and security, and after that in this page you will find extend your login session. Your account is eligible for longer logged in sessions for activities you do often, so we click here to enable it, and then we click it on. And as you see here, when you go again to your PayPal account, you will not be able to, or you will not use password again to log into your account. You will enter automatically or directly to your account without typing the password again and again. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.